Good morning, friends. Good morning. As you know, we have a group of retired people. We used to meet in the early morning after the short morning walk, and there we, sip a cup of tea, discuss maybe some political, financial, personal, social, some other things. So, while the discussions on, emerging topic came out that how can, one get the financial success. The team size was very less, around 11 people, and we are closely knitted people, staying in one apartment, so that is relationship is very good. Some of the people, they expressed their disappointment, although they had a very good earning in their career, in their time of when they were in job, but they could not build a sufficient wealth to meet the retirement life. I thought that why not make a video that how can one achieve the financial success? So it will be helpful to everybody to come out successful in their life. So this is the intention only and nothing else. So my dear friends, that today we'll be focusing on those points, how or what can bring you financial success to one's life, and how can one be financial successful. This video is for all age group, not only for the retired people, those who are beginning career, those who are in business, those who are, want to build up the wealth, to want to get the financial success. So when we say that financial success, what does it mean? When you are able to meet all the requirement of yours, your family, and socially you should be well off. That is called the financial success. So success, definition differs from person to person, because the financial goal of the people are so different. Then we'll be discussing around closely 20 points or 17, 18 points we'll be discussing for that. So if you are ready by pen and paper, you can note down. And if you want to, you can listen and remember. That's fine and fantastic. So first is to budget your investment. Friends, you might have heard people budget their expense. The budget session which is going on. Expenses, first what is your income, then what is your expenses. So similarly, when you are planning financial success, do remember you should have a budget for the investment. Let your investment or saving be the first expense. If your expense 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 list is there, the first one should, the list should head with your investment or savings. Okay, investment, how are doing this, all put together different part, will not touch over here. How can you make investment, where more gain is there, that's all put together different topics. Some other time we'll be discussing that. Then the second point is buy asset. See, some of you may ask or may not, what is assets? Asset, is a gold is an asset, land purchase is an asset, purchasing some stock is an asset, SIP is also an asset, IPO is an asset. Asset is that which you are anticipating will appreciate in value in long future. So long-term gain, short-term gain, two things is there. Yes, you can make in purchase some asset in number two. Number three, I am taking in number three, but most of you, they can put it as a number one. Invest in yourself. You have a piece of land. You are investing a crores of rupees to operate or build a building of 2-stair, 3-stair, maybe 1-stair, 2-stair building. Then you are staying one and giving rent to others. But you see, so which investment will yield more? You need some financial investment inputs. You personally, you have to enrich, by investing yourself. You may go for some short courses. You should, read some good books pertaining to the investment. And, you should associate with the people who are having the investment value. value in them. From them you can learn. So, or if financial courses are available online, offline, you can do that. Good books are there, self-help books, you can read that. There are some specific channels in the TV, you can listen to that. By that, you can investment in yourself. Or upgrading your particularly investment skill by enrolling yourself in some courses. See, read more books. Friends, there is a Sanskrit line, Pathoto nasti murkhatvam, japoto nasti patakam, moninam kalho nasti. See, pathoto nasti murkhatvam. If at all you are reading, then you will not have quarrel with anybody because you are engaging yourself in reading. And books are the best friends. They will give you knowledge. They will not argue with you. They will not quarrel with you. At the time of crisis, you can refer to that chapter or that page. I don't know how many of you agree to this, but this is a fact as sun gives us the sunshine or light. Pathoto nasti murkhatvam, japoto nasti patam. Those who is chanting the name of God, is no time to make any crime. Moninam kalharasti, the person who is silent, who is keep his lip tight, he cannot quarrel with anybody. And these three type of people don't have the fear with anybody. So reading good books, it is a very good habit. I mean, in old age, and that is your good, it is a very good engaging yourself, upgrading your knowledge. You can advise somebody, and good books are good friends. Friends can betray you, but the books cannot. Then avoid a lifestyle creep. If you are suffering from diseases like, maybe hypertension, diabetes, obesity, that's our lifestyle problem. To be sportive, smart, take healthy food, make a morning walk, physical exercise. Don't be tribe in that, lifestyle things which will be detrimental for your health and hygiene. And if you are young, third point is marry the right person. See, at my age, I cannot marry or I should not think of. But marrying not literally mean if you are a bachelor, if you are a boy or girl unmarried, then you should choose a right partner if you have some financial success in your life. That is very, very important, if you want to get a right partner, suiting to your mentality. If you are a boy or girl, take some time, match your mentality and go for that. And if you are married, so what is the meaning of this, line, marry the right person? So you want financial success, you should associate with the people who can guide, who can help you for the financial success. Because your goal and his goal, should be in one page, or one should have the better experience. He or she can guide you. Marrying means, having good relationship with them, good relations. So that way you can take it. And learn a, high income skill. How can you earn more? Earning more, making money or earning money are two different things. See, earning money means you are putting your knowledge, you are putting your skill, you are putting your time, putting your physical labor, you are upgrading yourself. That is how you can earn money. And when there will be in your mind that making money, it is something criminal, which you need to avoid. That is detrimental to you, detrimental to your society, detrimental to the country. Yes. And pay up high income debt. Somehow or other, we people are trapped in debt because most of us are not well off. In the proliferating or expanding business, we get loan, we take housing loan, we take, loan from our friends. But where we are paying more, I always say take loan from the bank. If you are eligible, then take loan always from the bank. But in a bank loan also, there are different gold loan, mortgage loan, education loan. But which loan charging you more interest? OD, yes, overdraft facilities, and a loan against credit card limit, that is 35%, 36%. Edu says other things are there. So those loan must be paid out. Those debt you don't keep. So that will, pull you down, 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 down. Another very, very important point. live on less than you make, than you earn. Everybody is earning. As a retired person, you are getting some, pension, or you have some side business or side income too. So in that stipulated income, try to live. And you are doing a very white collar job, you are earning in lakhs and crores. Accordingly, your expense also in proportionate to that. But do remember, if you put your earning column is one entry, and where or two entry, three entry, those who have multiple earning, facilities, those who are enjoying, or here they said the expenses column is lamba, it is too long. And when you commensurate or sum up this, always this side should be less than your earning. That's how your living should be, and you can get financial success by that. And you see, it is not advisable to the people of my age to see them to cut their expenses. They have totally traveled throughout the life and reached to the age of 60, 65. So, but to the youngsters who are watching this or who will be watching this video, for them to cut the unnecessary expenses is must and mandatory. Look, the youngsters are in a practice not to prepare food in the home. Ask the food, online food. Not only they are, inviting some health problem to them, but also they are, puncture their, purse, pocket. So what is necessary? Suppose, you have some assignment to do in the home there, then you can go for the just food order. Online food order. I just gave you an example. But in many ways, you can, totally stop your prodigality or reduce it. At least I'll suggest no prodigality in your younger age or no age at least. In your putting on clothes, there also you can reduce. In certain things which you need double you have cut, there you can reduce. So you must, cut unnecessary. What is necessary, you spend it. What is unnecessary, don't do. By that, you can be closer to your financial success. And network with the high achievers. See, there is a line, tell me about your friends, I can tell you what you are. So when you are associating with good people, good friends, those who are achieved financial success or closer to that, or some milestone they have achieved, they can give you good tips, and you will be motivated by your friends, and network with these high achievers. So they can influence you, they can inspire you, and you can be closer to your financial success. See, always, particularly those people, I'll be telling which category they are coming, be patient and think long term. My friends, there is no shortcut to success. There is no elevator to success. If you are thinking, be patient and think a long term gain. If you are an investor in share market, have patience. See, you purchase a land overnight, the appreciation, did not become double, triple, or 4 times. For that, you give sufficient time, 10 years, 15 years. When you purchase the land, it was not in municipality or corporate boundary. There is no electricity, there was no drainage, no road. You purchased 10 years back and left it. Now you are selling in 10 times or 15 times. So as in when you are investing in the stock market, overnight things will not change. Similarly, in SIP, systematic investment, it is a very powerful investment. If at all you are not doing, start doing that. Start from 100 rupees also. And compounding effects is very big. And almost all banks, everywhere you can make, in app, bank app also you can do. No need to visit bank. So be patient and think a long-term gain. So wealth comes to them who wait and think of the long-term benefits. And create multiple income system. My friend, when you have earnings, when you are a businessman, or you are a salaried employee, or you are an agriculturist, horticulturist, whatever you are, businessman, when flow is big, flow is immense, then what do you do? From single source, one become very happy. Hey, I am getting this lakh of rupees. There is no second income. accidentally, God may not desire that, but accidentally something happened. There is no second source of income. See, laying off in present job is quite common. What the youngsters you are doing? How are you planning for the future? Something may happen for which 5, 6 months, 4 months you'll be at home without your salary. So there must be, second income. See, there is a video specifically for what will be your secondary income. So I have given a list of 30 to 40 list where you can make your secondary income. So that has been discussed. You can go through that video. But here I am connecting that, one should have secondary income to make to the exigency and emergencies. Okay, then create a multiple income system. That is what I told you. Then understand strategy, tax plan. See, today gone are those days people were manipulating or evading taxes. I'll never suggest you manipulate or evade taxes. As a bona fide citizen, we all must pay tax to the government. And see, you will be caught everywhere because this is the age of artificial intelligence. Whatever transaction you are doing, it is being monitored. And today, in banking system, see, which expenses you are doing, they are segregating. Your vegetable cost is this, your hotel travel cost is this, your paying the insurance cost is this. Accordingly, the statement is coming. So gone are the days of manipulation way of thinking. Sure, but tax can be reduced by making some investments. Friends, I am not a tax consultant, for which you have to upgrade your knowledge in that, or consult a tax consultant, which will tell you the good ways, how to reduce it. Then have the right insurance coverage. See, on insurance, I have 3-4 videos. You can touch to that, go to a complete, very good plans are there in Bajaj life insurance company. They have designed, every month you can earn money. Suppose you retired this month and you got some lakhs of rupees, only segregate 10 lakhs rupees, and in SIP, every year you pay 1 lakh rupees. Your insurance will be covered. Income will be assured. You will be getting at least 38 to 40,000 rupees per annum if you are making 1 lakh premium per year. That has been discussed in that video. Assured income or income guaranteed. That you check that video, you will be getting it. So what I am telling here, the right insurance coverage. So what is the right insurance coverage? So, how much insurance should you have and what insurance you should have? So as a senior citizen, I am talking of me, I should have or those who are senior citizens, they should have the health insurance. And rest of the people, life insurance should be there, accident insurance should be there. Apart from that, term life should be there. Minimum 1 to 2 crore rupees of term life insurance should be there. So by that term life, you are ensuring a big amount for your future. At least in your absence, things can be taken care. Then, what are the rest things? Remove the degrowing assets from your portfolio. After all, we are all human beings. There might be some mistake in adding assets to our portfolio, and which asset is degrowing or not giving desired growth in a stipulated time, 5 years, 6 years, 10 years. Then you may liquidate that asset. In that value, go for the asset which is giving at least 15 to 20% growth per annum. So these are some points, you can make value addition in this, but these rules will definitely help you financial success. My dear friend, if you have achieved the financial success, you have one duty to do: forward this video to the youngsters who really want the financial success in their life. So thank you so much. If till later you have not subscribed the channel of Talk to Mohapatra, you can subscribe the channel, like the video, and forward to other groups for their benefits. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.